When you go buy these at a flower shop or a craft store, you have different gauge of wire. The 18 gauge, so the way I see, I just pinch the packet a little bit, because you have very soft ones. So I see if there is any resistance. Oh, I'm sorry, I went too high. To bending, and there is quite a bit. So I want that because, again, it's heavy, right? The glass is heavy. So I want that. Now, there is the 16. The problem is sometimes you don't find it. The 16 is even better than this one because it's very sturdy. It makes it easier for us to make the flowers. I need to have some weight. If I had a lighter gauge, the moment I put the flower here, it starts, right? It doesn't stay.
How does it do it?
Even with this one, many times I bend them to make it sturdier, or if it's a very big flower, you're going to have, let's say you want to do a huge Gerber, for example. You may want to use several of them and wrap.
Oh.
And that's the one thing you have to have in mind when you're creating them, is how much bulk they're going to have. Because, for example, this rose here. So you can see I bent the wire. I didn't finish it because
hold it there.
I was making for the class. And like I said, I'm going to use for myself. But you see that I bent here. I have the flower. And then, so I have the flower itself. I have the bud. I have the leaves, right? And all of them are coming here to the stem wire, and they are wrapped together. So it creates some bulk